Well, there is no law prohibiting family members of former presidents running for president. So when he ran, he was well within his right to run for president.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next question. Soledad. Soledad.
Thank you, sorry, we know we have asked this to you a lot of times and we will be asking you this again. Kasi kagabi lang may sinabi si former Senator Trillanes ng articles of impeachment. Sino ba sa tingin mo ang talagang nasa likod nitong ugong-ugong? Kasi kami, we always ask the Congress. Ang lagi nilang sinasabi kung meron mang impeachment, naririnig nila, sa'yo daw po. So sorry, we have to ask you again, ma'am.
Kinote ko naman na si Representative